заключенный в огне, кто читает свои сны, поклоняюсь темноте.
Hi everyone! Welcome to our video! Today we're going to show you how to properly disassemble and assemble an IDE system unit. Okay, before we start, the tools are needed are here. This is a big long flat head screwdriver which we're not going to use. And here's another flat head screwdriver which we are not also going to use. We have this nice and rusted small Phillips just right for the little screws here, but I don't like this, it's disgusting, so I'm not going to use that. And we have this nice small little Phillips screwdriver. Now we're going to disassemble this system unit. First, we're going to remove this heatsink fan which is on top of the CPU slot. Now we're going to remove this RAM that is in the memory slot.
ID hard drive.
And this is the bus. And now we're going to remove this video card.
Video card.
Now we're going to remove the CPU which is inside the CPU slot.
CPU.
Now we're going to remove the system unit. And this is the system unit or the motherboard.
This is the power supply.
And that's about it. And now we're going to show you the different parts and functions of the system unit and how to properly assemble them.
This a motherboard.
The motherboard is basically the heart of our system unit. The computer runs with it, and this is where we upgrade our computer if we want to make it better and faster. So now I'm going to show you how to properly assemble and install it into our motherboard. First, you must have the ports, the parallel ports, the serial ports in the proper place at the back of our motherboard.
CPU.
CPU is the brain of our system unit, and we're going to place it into our CPU slot. Make sure that the CPU is in place and don't forget to lock it. The power supply is where we connect our power source, of course. And this is where the power runs through just to power up our system unit. And we'll place it here proper way. Okay, now our power supply is in place. RAM is used to expand our computer, or no, not expand, but rather going to make it faster and even upgrade it with 2 RAMs. Now we're going to place it into our two memory slots, but since we have only 1 RAM, we're just going to put it into one of them.
Video card.
Video card is not actually important here since we have already a VGA built in. It's already built in into our system unit. But since if we want to add more, just place it in, I guess. properly so it will not move. And don't forget to lock the video card.
Heatsink fan.
Heatsink fan is used to be placed into or above our CPU so it wouldn't overheat as much. Place it here. Remember to place it properly so it won't touch the other components or even damage it. And boom. And boom, bada bing.
IDE hard disk.
IDE hard disk is used to store all of our data and memory into our computer. So you could add more if you want to, but we're just going to use one since it's our only resource right now. Properly. And shut it down.
Bus.
Okay, so the bus connects the hard drive to our system unit, and the hard drive is useless if you don't have this, then it wouldn't work. Make sure to connect it properly. Watch for this notch right here, so it will lock in place, and place it carefully into our hard drive. Let's do this.
We should connect this here to function the CPU fan.
Okay, so now we're going to make our front panel. First, we need to get our power switch, which is this one, but since it's erased, but it's still called power switch. As you can see, we're going to place it. As you can see, there's one empty pin, so we're going to move backwards one. There's two pins right there, and we're going to place our power switch here to those two pins. Now we're going to get our reset switch, which is this, and we're going to place it opposite of our power switch. Now we're going to find our power LED. First, we need to grab our negative, which is this, and place it right beside our power switch. And now we're going to get this positive and place it right beside our negative. Now we're going to find our HD LED. We're going to find our negative, which is this, and we're going to place it beside our reset. Now we're just going to get our positive and place it in place. And now we're just going to connect the rest, our 20-pin power connector, which does not fit. Just make sure you're just gonna find the power connector that's gonna fit in.
So guys, thank you for watching our video.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification down below. And if ever it's so useful to you, share it to your friends. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.